Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Thermo Fisher Applied Bioscience real-time PCR system Spectral Calibrator Kit 190 Fast 96 well. So as you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit. So as you can see, this is from the Thermo Fisher Applied Bioscience real-time PCR system Spectral Calibrator Kit 196 well plate. So as you can see, this is a temperature control one. You can see the reference number here 4360788. You can see all the products details are present here, and also you can see the catalog number and details. So this is the kit. So let me show you the sides. This is a 96 well plate PCR kit. It's a calibration kit and by Thermo Fisher Applied Bioscience. You can see the quantity of the plate is 9. You can see the lot number and the reference number 4360788. It's a temperature controlled one. That is the reason why it is placed on a ice cold gel pack. And also you can see the manufacturing address over here, and you can scan the QR code for all the product details. So this is the entire unboxing of the Thermo Fisher Applied Bioscience real-time PCR system Spectral Calibration Kit Fast 96 well plate. Thank you.